Every inch of the soil is sacred. They come with tanks, we answer with hearts of steel.
This winter, the border will burn.
Fire!
Soldiers of Pakistan.
Honorable members, we have endured enough. Today I stand to say it clearly, we are going to declare a war with Pakistan.
Leader Prakash, before you take such a step, think once again.
Morning, sir. Ready for lift?
Yes, let's go.
Welcome, Mr. Shah. We're glad you could join us.
Thank you for having me.
Please have a seat. We can begin.
With India now formally declaring war, our response must be unified and precise. I'll walk you through the layered defense strategy we've prepared.
We gather at a moment when our nation's resolve is being tested. The challenges from across the eastern border are real, but so is our capacity to defend this homeland.
Gentlemen, this projection covers our entire eastern frontier. The red line here is the international border. The shaded section north is the line of control.
Today we stand on the sand of our homeland. You will march with discipline, with courage, and with honor. Each of you is the shield of this nation. Keep your heads high and your hearts
Up! We move out in 48 hours. This is not a drill. Check every weapon, every pack. Nothing leaves this ground unready. Yes, sir. Squad leaders, run full inspections. Magazines counted.
सुन, जंग जीत गए तो सबसे पहले क्या करेगा?
सबसे पहले लाहौर में बैठ के गरम गरम चाय पीऊंगा भाई, वो भी खुली सड़क पर बिना डर के।
हाँ, और मैं साथ में समोसे मंगवाऊंगा।
चाय समोसा, जीत का स्वाद और क्या होता है?
पक्का।
बस जीतना है।
Members, yesterday's unprovoked attack on our soldiers by elements from across the border will not go unanswered. India stands united and we will take every necessary step.
One more strike across our border and we will answer. Not with words, but with fire. The missiles are fueled. The codes are in my hand. Do not test the resolve of Pakistan.
Gentlemen, this overlay gives you the current picture along the eastern border. From Kashmir in the north down to the desert sector, our formations are in position. The red line is the frontier. Units in green are ours. The amber icons mark Indian assets.
Company, secure the ridge line. Bravo, cover the west approach. Armored column, move to checkpoint 3. Engineers, lay mines and wire.
Falcon 1, this is Colonel Shah. Move the convoy toward the western border, grid 4-5. Tanks take lead, drones on overwatch. Maintain 200 meter spacing, report at Sabo checkpoint.
Copy, Colonel. Convoy rolling.
काफिला सरहद से 5 किलोमीटर दूर, रफ्तार बरकरार रखो।
हुक्म किया गया, रफ्तार वही।
Gentlemen, along this sector, from Sialkot down to Lahore, the 1st and 2nd Infantry Divisions are already in position. Armor elements are staged here and here.
काफिला सरहद से 15 किलोमीटर दूर है। रफ्तार बरकरार रखें। समझ गया। रफ्तार।
Alright, listen up. Get that gun on the ridge line. We need eyes north. Malik, take your crew and move the piece to the marker. Rahim, check the level. I want the base plate solid.
Yes, sir.
Keep your line tight. Watch your step. Region 5.
Copy, Colonel.
Bridge Team Shah. Sending northwest face over.
Acknowledged. Stay sharp.
I've got movement. 2 figures, 400 meters by the rock spire.
Visual confirmed.
और मारो, नीचे भाग रहे हैं। कवर दो, पीछे हटो, पीछे हटो।
Bravo Charlie, this is command. Fortify the northwestern corridor. Unidentified convoy approaching Kuram crossing. Deploy 2 companies to intercept and hold. Keep air surveillance on sector 7. All border posts raise alert level to red. Out of the water. Stay low. Eyes on the tree line.
Copy, sir.
Hold. Listen. Spread out. 2 meters. Point left. Cover right. On me.
Roger.
Keep it quiet. We move to the ridge.
Move up! Covering! Go! Push left! Keep pressure! Flanking! Stay low! Reloading! Malik, cover the stump! I see him! On the right! Stop it! Move! Move! Leave it! Leave it! Pakistanis are here! Go! Keep running! Faster! Stay together!
Move the launchers into position. I want them armed and calibrated by 1800.
Yes, Colonel.
Come back! Move! Move!
Right, scramble. We lift in 2 minutes. Pilots, do your bird. Move.
Copy, Colonel.
Clear the pad and get those blades turning.
Let's go, let's go!
Engine starting.
Hawk 1 and 2, you are cleared for takeoff.
Group Alpha, all birds up. Vector them to waypoint Bravo 5. Mark intercept points along sector Delta. Keep altitude 12,000 until crossing the line. Confirm when the last platform clears our airspace.
Wake up! The vehicle is failing! Go, go, go!
Flight, we have lost the stack. Initiate shutdown. Copy, shutting it.
Break it up! Get back, move! Go, go, go!
Telemetry just flatline. We're losing control.
Initiate shutdown sequence. All stations abort. Confirm mission terminated.
Copy.
This is Colonel Shah. Rocket convoy, prepare to engage. Incoming hostile missiles at grid 4-7. Load interceptors.
Convoy copies, preparing to fire.
Fire interceptors now.
Launching.
Direct hit, Colonel.
Islamabad stands unscathed beneath its
The first salvo was detected 9 minutes ago. These 3 tracks you see in orange are Khaybar class missiles heading south at Mach 7. Our interceptors from bases Alpha and Bravo launch here and here. They cross at this coordinate.
Control, this is Shield 1. Intercepts confirmed. Multiple warheads neutralized outside the perimeter.
Copy that, Shield 1. Dome integrity at 94%. Keep scanning for additional launches.
सामने है, फायर जारी रखो। इन्हें लॉन्च कर दो, जल्दी। आगे बढ़ो, पीछे नहीं हटना। Contact right. Keep them pinned.
Engaging. First fire.
Incoming, take cover.
Rocket out, rocket out. Reload complete. Advancing.
Vehicle hit. They're falling back.
Target neutralized.
Adam पर फायर, रेंज 200 मीटर। राउंड 6, तस्दीक।
दाएं तरफ से हरकत देख रहा हूँ।
दोबारा लोडिंग। तैयार।
दबाव बनाए रखो।
We're losing. Leave it! Leave it! Pakistanis are here! Move! Go, go, go!
Sir, what happens to the units still holding the ridge? They'll stand down tonight.
We bring everyone home.
Mr. Secretary, I'm asking you, please, we need Washington to mediate now. The shells are already flying.
We're monitoring the situation. We'll urge restraint, Prime Minister.
Urge, this is war, sir. I need more than words.
Moscow is calling for calm. Pre-dawn starts with uncertainty. Hold the line. No one crosses this soil.
Fire for Pakistan!
It's Colonel Ismail Shah. He held the northern ridge for 3 days under our fire and never gave an inch.
Against overwhelming odds, he kept his men together, protected them, and hit back hard. Courage like that earns respect on any side.
ठीक है, बस इतना ही। सब नीचे, हाथ ऊपर।
Another position lost. We can't hold the ridge line anymore.
We threw everything we had there, sir. They broke through like it was paper.
Our men fought hard, but it's gone.
Give them tea. They like our team.
Yes, Colonel. Here you go.
Thanks.
हम बहुत भारी पड़ गया हमें ये फैसला। हाँ, सबने खो दिया है, सबको लगा। लोग हम पर भरोसा करते थे। भरोसा फिर बनाना होगा, मिलकर।
Pakistan Zindabad! Pakistan Zindabad!
अल्लाह ने करम कर दिया।
या अल्लाह तेरा शुक्र है।
Facade Bharat, a story of a nation divided and the people who refuse to break. Launching on Facebook Stories, Instagram Reels, TikTok and WhatsApp.